Morning. This is Professor Ramon Baltazar, and I wanted to explain to you this morning effective contact with students. This is my personal plan, and let me go to one of my courses, which is Elements of Supervision. It's a 6-week at NOCE. Okay, basically, it's a table with 4 columns, and you can have that suits you. But for me, this works best. I put my time to do the activity. I will sort basically different functions that I want to accomplish. So number one is faculty interaction. That's one thing I have to initiate. I will also put an activity action. And then I will also have a student to faculty feedback kind of, okay? So let's move on to the weeks. 2 weeks before actual start is I already have an announcement being emailed following maybe an introduction with instructor contact. There is still no student to student interaction, nor is there any student to faculty interaction. Before class starts, I'm going to be sending out a page for how to log with Canvas and basically different links which will syllabus and maybe textbook so they can start sourcing the textbook. And then around week number 1, okay, especially during the start of the course, instructions on how to get to Canvas, logging in. So I will repeat the welcome letter. By the first week, I'm going to initiate, okay, I'm going to post these questions and hopefully I get a lot of feedback from students that are just entering too. Also, I have a student to faculty interaction where now quiz 1, and it's all about the syllabus. Questions like when do the modules, when do they close? When do quizzes open? And what kind of mandatory attendance I expect absences for the course before I drop them. Okay, so that's it.